If you're a designer who utilizes 2.5D CNC routing with Rhino and Fusion, you might create 3D pieces first, then, to check it can be manufactured as you expect, extract the edges, feed them into CAM tools to generate tool paths, and from there generate a 3D end milling result. Maybe there's a better way, at least for some applications. What if you didn't need to create these 3D design objects because you could just draw these edge and engraving lines first and have the simulation result be available to you as a 3D polysurface? So they offer you an approach which I call Blueprint First, and a new plugin for Rhino and Grasshopper called FlatCap. By Blueprint, I'm referring to the kind of CAD file that is best suited to being mapped to machine ops in Rhino-based CAM software, with lines depicting profile cuts, pockets, and engraving lines on layers where each layer corresponds to a router bit at a specific depth. FlatCap first checks whether you need to apply dog bone corners to ensure you stay working with a viable blueprint. Then generates 3D poly surfaces, showing you the end result of milling from your stock material, based only on the blueprint in place. From there, you can assemble them in virtual space. If you use Grasshopper, you can even change the blueprint and see the 3D shape above it change like a very helpful ghost. I used this tool to design this sleek flush cabinet handle consisting of 2 pieces glued to a drawer front. I iterated over drawing round nose and chamfer engraving lines and generating simulated milling results. And I think it would have been much more difficult to conceive this and to arrive at a viable blueprint if I had have created the 3D objects first, then used CAM software. The FlatCap plugin is available now in Package Manager and offers free simulations for blueprints which contain profile and pocket cuts. It delegates simulations for blueprints with engraving lines to a new Rhino Compute web service that I'm building. If you want to enable this for your complex blueprints, send me a message and I can connect you. This plugin is only in its alpha stage, so it will evolve as early feedback from the users rolls in. So if you want to be part of this journey, then give it a try and send me your feedback or write it up on the discussion board. Cheers!